The nature of reality. This philosophical inquiry delves into the fundamental essence of existence, asking questions about what constitutes reality and how it is perceived. It challenges our understanding of what is real, questioning whether reality is objective, subjective, or a combination of both. Philosophers explore concepts such as perception, consciousness, and the nature of existence itself, considering whether reality is fixed or constantly changing. Welcome to a journey through the depths of reality, a journey that spans centuries of human inquiry and contemplation. Today we embark on an exploration of the fundamental question that has intrigued philosophers, scientists, and seekers of truth throughout history. What is the nature of reality? Reality is like a multifaceted gem, each facet reflecting a different aspect of the whole. As we peer deeper into the fabric of reality, we uncover layers of complexity that challenge our preconceived notions. It's as if reality is a puzzle waiting to be solved, with each discovery revealing new pieces of the cosmic mosaic. And yet, even as we strive to unravel its mysteries, reality remains tantalizingly elusive, always one step ahead of our grasp. From the majestic dance of galaxies in the cosmos to the intricate symphony of atoms at the quantum level, reality presents itself in a dazzling array of forms and scales. Yet beneath this kaleidoscope of existence lies a profound mystery. What truly defines reality? Is it something objective and immutable, independent of our perception, or is it perhaps a product of the mind shaped by the observer's consciousness? Throughout history, philosophers have proposed a myriad of theories to elucidate the nature of reality. Plato, in his allegory of the cave, famously posited that our perception of reality is akin to shadows cast on a cave wall, obscuring the true forms of existence. This allegory serves as a potent metaphor for the limitations of human perception and the elusive nature of truth. The quest to understand reality has also led philosophers to explore the nature of consciousness and subjective experience. René Descartes, in his famous dictum, cogito ergo sum, I think, therefore I am, asserted the primacy of consciousness as the foundation of existence. Descartes' dualistic philosophy, which posited a separation between mind and body, laid the groundwork for subsequent inquiries into the nature of subjective experience and its relationship to the external world. Reality is a fluid concept shaped by our beliefs, experiences, and cultural conditioning. But can we truly trust our perceptions? Are they not subject to distortion and bias? Our perceptions may deceive us, leading us to believe in illusions rather than truths. And yet, despite the inherent limitations of our senses, there is a beauty in the quest for knowledge, a relentless pursuit of truth that drives us forward. In the modern age, technological advancements have raised new questions about the nature of reality. Virtual reality simulations, with their immersive experiences and lifelike environments, challenge our conventional notions of what is real. As we don the headset and enter the virtual realm, we are confronted with the unsettling realization that reality itself may be nothing more than a construct of our minds. As we journey through the tapestry of life, we are confronted with the mystery and wonder of existence. Reality is not a static entity to be dissected and analyzed, but a living, breathing phenomenon that beckons us to explore its depths and embrace its mysteries. From the awe-inspiring beauty of a sunrise to the profound insights of a scientific discovery, reality reveals itself in myriad forms, inviting us to ponder its infinite complexities. At the heart of the exploration of reality lies the philosophical inquiry into the nature of existence. From the ancient Greek philosophers to the contemporary thinkers of today, philosophers have grappled with questions about what constitutes reality and how it is perceived. One of the central debates in philosophy concerns the relationship between perception and reality. In addition to philosophical inquiry, the nature of reality has also been a subject of investigation in the realm of science. Through the lens of empirical observation and experimentation, Scientists seek to uncover the underlying laws and principles that govern the physical universe. The scientific method, with its emphasis on hypothesis testing and evidence-based reasoning, has yielded remarkable insights into the nature of reality. One of the most profound discoveries of modern science is the theory of relativity, proposed by Albert Einstein in the early 20th century. Einstein's theory revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity, revealing the interconnectedness of the cosmos on a cosmic scale. Einstein's equations showed that space and time are not absolute but rather intertwined in a dynamic fabric known as spacetime, reshaping our conception of reality at the most fundamental level. Quantum mechanics, another cornerstone of modern physics, has further challenged our understanding of reality. At the quantum level, particles behave in ways that defy classical intuitions, exhibiting properties such as superposition and entanglement. The wave-particle duality, central to quantum theory, suggests that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, blurring the distinction between the observer and the observed. This phenomenon has profound implications for our understanding of the nature of reality, raising questions about the role of observation in shaping the physical world. Beyond the realms of philosophy and science, the nature of reality has also been a subject of exploration in mystical and spiritual traditions. Across cultures and civilizations, mystics, sages, and spiritual seekers have sought to penetrate the veils of illusion and glimpse the ultimate nature of existence. In Eastern philosophies such as Hinduism and Buddhism, the concept of Maya or illusion is central to understanding the nature of reality. According to these traditions, the material world is but a fleeting manifestation of the divine, veiling the true nature of reality from human perception. Through meditation, contemplation, and spiritual practice, practitioners seek to transcend the illusions of the material world and attain enlightenment, realizing their inherent unity with the cosmos. Similarly, in Western mystical traditions such as Kabbalah and Christian mysticism, the nature of reality is seen as a reflection of the divine. Mystics speak of experiencing moments of profound union with the divine, known as mystical or ecstatic experiences, in which the boundaries of the self dissolve and the ultimate nature of reality is revealed. These experiences, often described in ineffable terms, point to a reality that transcends the limitations of language and conceptual thought. Modern philosophy emphasizes the importance of distinguishing between belief and knowledge. Belief is based on subjective interpretation, personal opinion, or cultural conditioning, whereas knowledge is derived from direct experience, evidence, and verifiable facts. Individuals are encouraged to question their beliefs and seek genuine knowledge through critical thinking, observation, and introspection. True understanding arises from a willingness to examine one's assumptions and to explore alternative perspectives with an open mind. Belief is often influenced by external factors such as upbringing, culture, and societal conditioning. It is subjective and can vary greatly from person to person. Beliefs are shaped by personal interpretations of reality, which may not always align with objective truth. While beliefs can provide a sense of comfort, belonging, and guidance, they can also be limiting if they are not grounded in verifiable facts or evidence. In contrast, knowledge is derived from direct experience, observation, and critical analysis. It is based on empirical evidence and can be verified through logical reasoning and scientific inquiry. Knowledge transcends subjective biases and offers a more accurate understanding of reality. By seeking knowledge, individuals can gain deeper insights into themselves and the world around them, enabling them to make informed decisions and navigate life with greater clarity and purpose. We must understand the importance of discernment in distinguishing between belief and knowledge. Individuals should question their assumptions, challenge conventional wisdom, and remain open to new perspectives. By cultivating a skeptical yet open-minded approach to information, individuals can sift through the noise of misinformation and discover deeper truths that resonate with their inner knowing. It is important to emphasize the role of personal responsibility in the pursuit of knowledge. Individuals must take ownership of their beliefs and actively seek out information that expands their understanding. This requires humility, curiosity, and a willingness to admit when one's beliefs are challenged or proven wrong. Through self-reflection and self-correction, individuals can refine their understanding and align more closely with truth and wisdom. The evolution of human consciousness is shifting from belief-based thinking to knowledge-based understanding. By embracing critical thinking, skepticism, and personal responsibility, individuals can transcend the limitations of belief and cultivate a deeper awareness that empowers them to navigate life with wisdom, clarity, and integrity. Join us again on our quest through space and time as we unravel the mysteries, complexities, and fundamental truths of the world around us, traveling together on our journey down the path of greater intellectual wisdom.